Hello students, welcome you all. I hope all of you are doing good. And today we discuss here over NEET previous year question. So let's begin with our questions. Question number 1. Which of the following has dry skin with scales? Option A, Hyla. Option B, Hemidactylus. Option C, Echinus. Option D, Rana. In this question, your correct answer is option B, Hemidactylus. Question number 2. In mycorrhiza, the fungal hyphae. Option A, remain restricted to the root surface. Option B, remain restricted up to the root cortex. Option C, pass into the root interior. Option D, enter the root apex and reaches all parts. Take your time and in this question the correct answer is B, remain restricted up to the root cortex. Question number 3. Which of the following is present in maximum percentage in the living matter? I repeat it. Which of the following is present in maximum percentage in the living matters? Option A, carbon. Option B, nitrogen. Option C, oxygen. And option D, potassium. In this question, the correct answer is option C, oxygen. Our next question is question number 4. The flat horizontal line in between the waves of ECG represent time when? Option A, there is no mechanical activity in the heart but there is electrical activity in the heart. Option B, there is no electrical activity in the heart but there is a mechanical activity in the heart. Option C, there is no mechanical activity in the heart and there is no electrical activity in the heart. Option D, there is mechanical activity in the heart and there is electrical activity in the heart. And the correct answer is option B, there is no electrical activity in the heart but there is a mechanical activity in the heart. Move on to our next question, question number 5. A specialized center called respiratory rhythm center is primarily responsible for the regulation of respiration. Is located in option A, cerebellum. Option B, lower part of the brain. Option C, topmost part of the brain stems. And option D, none of this. तो चलिए देखते हैं इसका आंसर क्या होगा. इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर बी, द लोएस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द ब्रेन. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question number 6. Which of the following is related to the pituitary gland? I repeat it. Which of the following is related to the pituitary gland? Option A, it is located in the depression created by bony cavity. Option B, anterior pituitary is also called adenohypophysis. Option C, par intermedia secretes only one hormone. Option D, all of above. And your correct answer is option D, all of the above. Let's bring to our next question. Our question number 7. Substrate that act upon in the column 2 and the product obtained from reaction given in the column 3. Select the correct option from the code given below. Your option is given below. इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए, ट्रिप्सिन प्रोटीन डाइपेप्टाइड. इसका सबस्ट्रेट जो होगा वो पॉलीसेक्राइड्स होगा और प्रोडक्ट जो बनेगा वो डाइसेक्राइड्स बनेगा. लाइपेज का सबस्ट्रेट जो आपका होगा वो फैट होगा और प्रोडक्ट जो बनेगा आपका डाइग्लिसराइड्स होगा. इसका आपका होगा न्यूक्लिक एसिड सबस्ट्रेट एंड न्यूक्लियोसाइड्स. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Soil erosion and desertification is due to human activity like overcultivation, unrestricted grazing, increased urbanizations, and all of the above. And the right answer is option number D, all of the above. Let's begin with our next question. Question number 9. 5 factors are known to be affected Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. 3 of them are gene migration, gene flow, genetic drift and mutation. Rest 2 are option number A, somatic variation or natural selection. Option B, genetic recombination or random breeding. Option C, genetic recombination or natural selection. Option D, lack of random breeding or saltation. And your correct answer is option number B, genetic recombination and natural selection. Let's move on to our next question. Question number 10. Effective filtration pressure of glomerulus is maintained due to option A, powerful pumping action of the heart. Option B, secretion of adrenaline. Option C, afferent arteriole being slightly larger than efferent arterioles. Option number D, vacuum develop in collecting duct and sucks the blood. And the right answer is option C, afferent arteriole being slightly larger than the efferent arterioles. Let's move on to our next question. Question number 11. The exaggerated response of the immune system in which IgE type of antibody is produced called option A, allergy. Option B, autoimmunity. Option C, active immunity. And option D, passive immunity. And the right answer is option A, allergy. Let's move on to our next question. Question number 12. Read the following statement of female external genitalia. Which of the following are incorrect? Labia minora are thick fleshy fluid of tissue that extended down from mons pubis and surround the vaginal opening. Option B, mons pubis is the cushion of fatty tissue covered by skin and pubic hair. Option 3, the absence of hymen is the reliable indicator for sexual experience or virginity. Option 4, the clitoris is a tiny finger-like structure that lie above the urethral opening. And in this question, the correct option is option B, 1 and 3rd. Let's move on our next question. Question number 13. Which of the following represent the anatomically and structural unit of muscles respectively? I repeat it. Which of the following represent the anatomically and structural unit of the muscles respectively? Option number A, anatomical unit muscles fiber, structural unit sarcomere. Option B, anatomical unit myofibrils, structural unit sarcomere. Option number C, anatomical unit myofibrils, structural unit muscles fiber. Option number D, anatomical unit sarcomere or structural unit muscles fibers. And the right answer is option number A, anatomical unit जो होता है muscles fiber होता है और structural unit जो होता है sarcomere होता है आपका. Let's move on to our next question. Question number 14. The best candidate for species specific narrow spectrum insecticidal application is A, nucleopolyhedrovirus, B, DDT, C, azospirillum, D, glomus. And the correct answer is option number A, nucleopolyhedroviruses. Let's move on to our next question. Question number 15. Reflex action are given by neuronal pathway called reflex arc, which comprises different component. What should be the correct sequence of component in withdrawal reflex after touching the hot thing suddenly to without the finger? इस क्वेश्चन में आपको बोला गया है कि रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन का सीक्वेंस क्या होगा जब आपको एक एनसीईआरटी में था जब हथौड़ा मारता है तो उसके बाद क्या मतलब फुल प्रोसेस आपको बताना है ये क्वेश्चन. तो आपका यहाँ पे ऑप्शन बनता है. आपका पहला ऑप्शन है एफरेंट न्यूरॉन, इफरेंट न्यूरॉन, इंटरन्यूरॉन रिसेप्टर एंड इफेक्टर. ऑप्शन बी है इफेक्टर, देयर आफ्टर एफरेंट न्यूरॉन, इफरेंट न्यूरॉन, इंटरन्यूरॉन एंड देन आफ्टर रिसेप्टर. ऑप्शन 3 है आपका रिसेप्टर, एफरेंट न्यूरॉन, इफरेंट न्यूरॉन, इफेक्टर. ऑप्शन डी ऑप्शन नंबर डी रिसेप्टर, एफरेंट न्यूरॉन, इंटरन्यूरॉन, इफरेंट न्यूरॉन और इफेक्टर। तो इसका सही आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर डी। इसका सीक्वेंस जो होगा रिसेप्टर, एफरेंट न्यूरॉन, देन आफ्टर इंटरन्यूरॉन, इफरेंट न्यूरॉन एंड इफेक्टर। Let's move on to our next question. Question number 16. At a asymptomatic stage, the population is option A stabilized, option B increasing, option C decreasing, option D extinct. Take your time. और इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए स्टेबलाइज्ड। Let's move on to our next question. Question number 17. In which of the following ARTS? ARTS का फुल फॉर्म भी कभी कभी पूछने आ जाता है नीट में। Assisted Reproductive Technologies. The sperm is directly injected into the ovum. I repeat it. In which of the following ARTS sperm is directly injected into the ovum? Option number A gift. Option number IUI, option number ICSI, option number D AI. The correct answer is option number C ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. Let's move on to our next question. Question number 18. Which of the following methods are used to carry out the controlled breeding experiment? Option number A crossbreeding, option number B artificial insemination, option number D interspecific hybridization, option number D outcrossing. And the right answer is option number B artificial insemination. Let's move on to our next question. Question number 19. Which of the following muscles does not exist in animals? Option number A striated in appearance and voluntary in action. B unstriated in muscles and involuntary in action. Option number C striated in appearance and involuntary in action. Option number D unstriated in appearance and voluntary in action. The right answer is option number D unstriated in appearance and voluntary in action. Let's move on to our next question. Our next question and final is question number 20. Which of the following set of animals are triploblastic, true coelomate with open type circulatory systems? Option number A earthworm, cockroach, Nereis. Option number B cockroach, octopus and leech. Option number C mosquito, Peritima, Nereis. Option number D cockroach, leech and pila. And the correct answer is option number D cockroach, leech and pila. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.